Hello everyone, my name is Siti Mashita binti Liaquat Ali, an undergraduate from University Utara Malaysia pursuing Bachelor of Science in Decision Science. In this video, I will be presenting about my research study titled Shortest Route for Preschool Goods Distribution using Nearest Neighbor and Local Search. Nuri Education Center is a private organization serving preschool education since 2004. They have a total of 21 kindergartens across Johor Bahru district. Nuri is supplying adequate preschool appliances every month by themselves to alleviate better learning process and other activities held in the school. However, delivering goods to the branches requires proper planning of route, which influence the cost, time, and distance. Hence, Traveling Salesman Problem or TSP is the suitable approach for identifying optimal route which eliminates the larger length distance to reduce distribution duration, vehicle-related expenses, and so on. Therefore, this study will determine the regular service route for Nuri to deliver preschool goods for all branches. Currently, Nuri is struggling to organize delivery duration and logistic expenses involving different locations due to poor route planning. In response to this issue, this study will identify the best fit solution of shortest route to dispatch monthly needs for all 21 branches in 4 different zones using TSP approach. This study involves 3 research objectives. Firstly, to develop TSP models that determine the shortest path to distribute goods for Nuri branches. Next, to make comparison of the result between the selected TSP models. And finally, to find the optimal geographical route by finding the shortest distance in distributing goods for Nuri branches. Scope of the study focuses on total of 22 locations including Nuri HQ and 21 kindergartens in 4 different regions. The route for each zone will begin and end with Nuri HQ. Due to MCO, this study is limited to some obligations to avoid the COVID-19 spread. Significantly, the result of ideal routes that connects the branches will be suggested to Nuri as a regular delivery routes. Anyhow, this study can be used by other researchers as a guideline for further studies to explore into any delivery-based traveling salesman dilemma. Previously, many studies have been carried out to tackle the conflicts of selecting optimum route, shortest paths, and minimum traveling duration. Researchers have applied various kinds of mathematical models to overcome some real-life issues and resulting more efficient solutions. Therefore, this study have conducted a review of literature from past studies to observe TSP-related issues and interpretation of similar methods used by the researchers. Hereby, this is the mathematical formulation of TSP model used in this study, which indicates 3 major rules. The route should start and end at the same node. Each node must be visited only once, and the route must be formed with shortest distance. The distance mileage chart of Nuri branches in kilometers is the secondary data collected from a telephone interview with a Nuri staff. Each node represents each branch locations. Then, the data was split into 4 zones as detailed by the Nuri staff accordingly. The first 3 zones will represent 5 branches, while Zone 4 have 6 branches. The branch map is obtained from Google Map in Nuri website. In this study, heuristic technique is the mathematical approach used to evaluate the data by exploring into Microsoft Excel. Thus, 2 different applications were executed in Excel. Excel VBA is modeled with nearest neighbor and local search algorithms with suitable coding to compare the best fit solution of shortest distance route. Then, Excel Solver is activated by inserting the all different constraints using evolutionary method to find the possible optimal route options as an additional initiative. As you can see, this is how both applications were developed for every zone. The nodes of place name are converted into numbers to ease flexible outcomes. Excel VBA are modeled with Visual Basic Programming Language, while Excel Solver is inserted with necessary information into solver parameter for every zone separately. As a result, Excel VBA resulting nearest neighbor with better performance of least distance while local search shows no improvement of shortest distance for all zones. As an initiative to propose route alternatives, Excel Solver produced different directions of shortest path with minimal distance for each zone. To sum up, this study proves that nearest neighbor is the best fit solution of shortest distance route for all zones using Excel VBA. Then, Excel Solver effectively identified other optimal route options for each zone. Ergo, TSP approach is an essential tool to encounter route networking and distance measuring challenges. At the same time, it discovers the opportunity of saving traveling duration, distance, and cost of Nuri's supply chain operations. However, the suggested directions and distance as above is depending on some situations such as traffic congestion, route diversion, or climate changes. I would like to thank my research lecturer Dr. Nurul Naziha for driving me to the right path in completing this study successfully. I hope the audience can understand the content of this video as well as inspired to conduct research in related fields. Thank you.